Hello everyone and welcome to How to Professional. In this video, I am going to show you Monopoly Go tips and tricks. If you're a Monopoly beginner, here are some essential tips and tricks to help you advance in the game more effectively. Prioritize shield collection. Shields act as protective barriers for your landmarks, shielding them from damage. This is crucial, especially when you're starting out with a small empire. Losing all your landmarks leaves you with nothing, so aim to collect a minimum of 3 shields. Use auto rolls wisely. Throughout the game, you'll encounter an auto-roll upgrade that allows you to roll the dice multiple times. Activate it by holding down the Go option. However, exercise caution as careless use might lead you to the jail square. Always plan your moves before employing auto-roll. Focus on landmarks as your primary investments. After accumulating some money, you'll have investment options, but landmarks should be your top priority. Delaying their purchase could result in other players snapping up plots, making it costlier to buy them back later. Additionally, constructing more landmarks expands your empire. Don't underestimate mini-games. Mini-games are an excellent source of extra income, yet many players overlook them. Make sure to complete these games promptly. They are typically straightforward, making it easy to accumulate cash for future use. Target house placement spots. When you build landmarks or demolish opponents' properties, you receive house-shaped tokens. These tokens can generate additional income when placed strategically. Try to land on these locations to increase your earnings. I hope these tips and tricks enhance your Monopoly gameplay. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe.